When singing Opalite, this part and similar others may feel a little unstable to sing. Why is that? You have high chest voice, you got lots of register switches, so chest to head, back to chest. It requires a lot of muscular coordination in your voice box and just overall control. This is why it might feel a little unstable. So how do we fix it? I need you to pick up a pencil. This is what we're going to use to work on the switches and make them just a little bit easier. Chest voice is your speaking voice, head voice is your light voice, higher kind of voice. And when you are in head voice, I'd like you to try and sing sort of above the pencil, as if you're throwing the sound just above it. It's not there. It's above. It's nice and light. It's above the pencil. But now the sky is Opalite. Another thing I need you to do, I need you to really open your mouth in head voice. So when you go, but now, say that N really well as well. That will bring a bit of brightness out in your voice. And now, but now the sky is Opalite. On pulla, we need to go back to your chest voice. So how do we go back to chest voice after being on that now the sky light voice, yeah? How do we do it? But now the sky is Opalite. You are kind of opening the door, or you think of it as if you're pulling something. But I think pulling a door handle is quite a good representation. So do that for me. What can you feel happening in your core? It's tensing a bit, isn't it? Yeah? That's just your body's natural response to doing that movement. And when you bring your support in, this is your vocal support in singing, your abs, your abdominal area. When you kind of start engaging the muscles a bit more, your vocal folds will come together fully. It's just don't over squeeze. We never want to squeeze. So this is how you work with it. Light voice, throw it over the pencil, and then bring the chest voice back in with that feeling. But now the sky is open. Oh, Throw and pull. Throw for head voice, pull for chest voice. That's all I need you to do. Throw and pull. Same with any other part in the song where you've got the switch from chest voice to head voice or from head voice to chest voice. Thunder like a drum. You're just going to throw and pull. Throwing is for head voice, pulling is for chest voice. These little visualization tricks really help you engage parts of your body that you need to achieve a certain sound. So make sure to use it. Try this technique for me for all these switches that happen in this song. There's quite a few of them. Make sure to take your time. Don't rush through it. Let your muscles here in your voice box register what you want from them, okay? And then you speed it up. Make sure to try the throw in head voice and the pull in chest voice technique, and let me know in the comments below how you do. Now, if you want your voice to be more agile in switching from chest voice into head voice and back, I've got a ton of exercises that can help you to do so. They're absolutely free of charge. All you need to do is just subscribe to my email newsletter and you'll get instant access to my secret warm-up vault with more than 40 vocal warm-up exercises in it. Make sure to give this video a like, a share, and subscribe to Sing It to the World for more videos. I'll see you next time.